Hello everyone, this is Sheshe. Today we are making the second card in the Under the Sea card kit. It looks like this, a beautiful card. Again, I'm changing the colors of the hibiscus flower. So I'm going to start out with coloring the flowers. I'll let you know how many you need. You'll need a big flower, medium size, a small, and 2 leaves. Okay, you'll need frills, glitter, and then all the components of the card, which is the acetate, then this, and these pieces. It is a frame card that opens. It's a top folding card like that. You'll ink around the edges. Again, I'm changing the color, so I'm going to use this Bahama blue for my flowers, the denim to accent it, and also this new sprout. Okay, so I'm going to get started. I'm going to speed up the video a little bit. You can see how I color the first flower, and then it's the same process for the remaining flowers. Okay, so enjoy the video. Okay, now we come to the shaping portion of the video, and I have to turn this over to see which ones I use. I use the 6mm and the 8mm stylus from the kit of the shaping kits. So for the big flower, I am going to shape the outer portion just like this. If you feel you need to spray it with the spray bottle, just spray lightly. And then for the leaf, I'm going to spray lightly. Alright, just one spritz. So I am going to shape it and round the petals. Shape this one too. And then for this portion, I just curl it up like so. Okay, then we'll press this down right in here. Now, if you don't feel you received like a deep impression, what you can do is flip your mat over and press really deep in. Like that. And then press down. And that'll give you a bigger cup for your petals. Okay. So now I'm going to do the leaf. Again, using the 8mm. Tips. Then I'm going to switch it to the smaller tip just to press this portion down. Alright, just like that. Set these aside. I'm going to switch to some smaller stylus for the smaller flowers. Okay, for this one, just give it a small spritz water. I switched to the 5mm for the small one, and I kept the 6 for this one. I'm just going to switch it to the 5mm to curl. Again, if you don't like the size of your cups, you can switch it to have 2 layers of your pad by just folding it in half like that and pressing harder in each petal like that. And then pressing really hard like that. That gives you a deeper impression. Same thing with this. Okay, switch it to the smaller one for that end tip, like that. Okay, now I am ready to glue on the flowers, and then we'll add some Okay, here's the finished card. It turned out so beautiful. It's nice and sparkly. All that glitter and shine. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making this card. I just love how it turned out. So take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.